Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. A few days ago, I have made this bottle art using ceramic cones. You can find the link of this in the I button or you can check in the description box. For this, I am upcycling a sauce bottle, though you can use any other bottle available at your home. A lot of people is asking me about ceramic powder. So this is a ceramic powder which I bought from Amazon. The link is given in the description box if you wish to buy it online. Now let's start. Make a thick batter of ceramic powder using white glue and little bit of water. Make sure the consistency should be pouring but not watery. Make a cone using plastic sheet. And then secure it with cello tape. As you can see, our cone is ready. Now we will fill our ceramic paste into it. Now fill the cone with ceramic paste. Now close the cone and secure the end using cello tape. You can check how it works. If it is not coming out properly, then you can cut the tip for free flowing. Similarly, I am making one more cone as I have to make 2 bottles. If you have any query, then please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you like watching my videos, then please consider subscribing it and also press the bell icon for regular video updates. You can follow me on Instagram. The link I have given in the description box. And I'm also on Facebook. My Facebook page ID is Art Gallery. I have given the link in the description box. Then like my page and follow me on Instagram. Now time to color. Here I'm using green sparkling pearl color. The link is given in the description box. You can take any other color of your choice. Now take your ceramic cone and start making design on the bottle. You can make any pattern, any design according to your choice. And I'm sure you will love making it. And the best part of ceramic clay is it doesn't shrink or crack in comparison of other clay. As you can see, I have made two cones. One is with thick opening for outlining and another is thin to fill inside. Take some ceramic powder in a bowl, then add white glue or Fevicol into it. Mix it well and then we will form a dough. Using this dough we will make the top of the bottle, as you can see in the video. And after drying we will make some pattern using ceramic cone on the top of the bottle. Guys, let me know your feedback that how do you like it, as your feedback and appreciation motivates me a lot. As you know that I have made one more bottle. Please let me know in the comment section that how it looks. Now apply the same light green color on the top portion of the bottle. Here I am using golden dust color, and to dilute this color I will use Fevicol or white glue. Though you can use any other color or sparkling colors. You can get all the material list in the description box below and also the link of the product if you wish to buy them online. Here I have applied my all-time favorite metallic bronze color on this bottle. Please keep your feedback that how do you like it and let me know in the comment section. Do like, subscribe and share. Keep watching, keep crafting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.